everybody, and welcome back to Wolf Quest 3, where we are here with Shadow, our wolf, and Star is right over here. And so last time we got 2 full elk carcasses, which, I mean, that's amazing. And now we are taking a slight detour into Prospect Peak territory because, part of Shadow's story, and I really like roleplay. I think it adds like a new layer to it. So Shadow was actually kicked out of the Prospect Peak pack for being too weak, and Shadow wants to show them what he thinks. And it seems that they remember him too, because they're actually pretty strong right here. But Shadow doesn't care. Shadow's gonna go for it. That's a moose, I believe. Yes, it is. We mean you no harm. We're just, at least for right now, we're just taking you into. There's your mule deer. Okay, and we're actually going to eat this chunk of meat right now, or as much as we can. And we need to save those teeth for biting. Star, are you hungry? Oh, she's actually a little bit hungry. Star, we had 2 full elk carcasses. Did you eat none of them? Maybe, I think we actually left before she could. But Star knows how important this is to him, so, she's going with him, even though she's still tiny bit hungry. Because Shadow really, really hates Prospect Peak for what they did to him. So we're gonna go that way. There we go. And their scent post is actually over here. So we're gonna try to make this fast, especially. Ooh, Shadow's actually pretty tired. Especially because this area is actually very strong, so I assume that's because they're actually in this area. Like, it's what they've been using most. So, ooh, I think it's actually right here. Yeah, it is. Hey guys. Okay, what percent is it at now? It's at 15%. And, Shadow's actually pretty, whoa, sorry guys, I didn't mean to do that. He's actually pretty tired right now. So, we are just going to move quickly, because he won't be able to sprint for very long. But we're gonna leave scent marks everywhere. And it's at 5%. And he knows even this one bit of territory will make him so much happier. And I think this should do it, guys. There we go. And let's add a second one for scent post. And, whoa, sorry about the lag, guys. And there we go. So, Shadow just got his territory back from Prospect Peak, as he would say. And let's actually stop by the carcasses on our way back to the den, so that let's see. Yeah, so that they can really be full, because you know, we want their pups to grow up. So, and I think this is actually a den. Yeah, okay, that's a den. I was just checking. Whoa. So let's see. Oh yeah, they're right up here. Across these rocks. They should still be here. So we're just gonna make a stop by them. They're right over here. Yep, there they are. Hey, get out of here. So they've actually been eaten quite a bit, but we're just gonna make sure that we are completely full. Okay, and we're gonna tear off a chunk. Okay, let's see, Star, did you... Okay, good, she's full. So, let's go. Let's see, where's the den? Where? Wait. Is it? Wait, why is it not? Okay, so it should be south. Guess we can't see it right now? Oh, there, because it's hidden, that's why. Okay, so Shadow is going to sprint back to his puppies. He's so excited. Hi, Bunny. You needn't worry. Actually, you might want to worry about Star. Shadow's fine. He's carrying meat in him now. But... yeah, and actually... Ooh, okay, so Crevice Lake is actually pushing in over here. I didn't really think about marking territory, but, yeah, we're gonna do this. And Shadow would definitely rush back to his pups. Shadow's definitely, like I actually wrote in his bio, Shadow, like, he's tough, he's strong. Like, when you first meet him, like, he's kind of just, like, this warrior that, like, really won't let anything slip. But, like, if you're someone he cares about, he's really just a big old teddy bear that you can just, like, hug and know that he loves you. So we're almost there? Okay, guys, we're almost there. It's right up here. And we can feed our pups. Hi. Oop, name tags are off, actually. Okay, and Twilight actually is actually probably pretty hungry because last time she actually got shoved out of the way by get in, Star, help, guys, hurry, oh my gosh, guys, it gave up, and not everyone actually got in the den. There, it's over there. I think it's actually because we were standing right by our pups. I'm so glad we just called them out. Star. She seems very much of a loner. I think actually if we alert her next time. Star. There. Star, you need to come. Yeah, so Star seems more of like a get to business wolf. Okay. We're gonna call everyone out again. Guys, we had an attack last time, and we had an attack this time. Okay. Everyone has to stay close. Everyone's attacking. Umbra, hi. Mars, you actually need a bit of food. Okay, we are keeping an eye on everyone. Let's see, Twilight's eating now. Midnight, don't even think about it. Midnight, hey. Midnight, new adventures every day. Stay close, Midnight. Bye. Midnight, honestly, he does not trust you right now to not wander away. Mars, Saturn, you too. Why she's close enough. Oh. Okay, good. Saturn. That's 7. Okay, good. Midnight. Midnight Saturn. Saturn. Come on. You cannot even wander the slightest bit away in, let's see, is everyone full? In Shadow's mind, especially now that that just happened. Okay, so, everyone go inside, and, oh, Wolf is go inside. I need to learn this. Luckily, I knew it during the attack, but, yeah, so I think, the fact that that we were standing by our pups actually, saved them. Okay, and we're going to rest because Shadow is absolutely exhausted. So, yeah. So, he's going to dream. So, yeah, last time we had a coyote attack where 2 coyotes thought they could just waltz in here and attack our pups. Fleas? Uh-oh. Every wolf den suffers from fleas, but the more time your pups stay in the den, the faster the fleas will proliferate. Sorry guys, it's healthier to stay outside and use the den for shelter or safety from predators. Your pups are more likely to leave the den as flea load increases. Keep an eye on the blue pointer on the pack affinity meter. It marks the point when your pups will be tempted to leave the den. Oh! Whoa! Your pups grow independent. Your pups are growing bigger and more independent. They'll stay in the den while you are away, as long as pack affinity is high. But rambunctious pups might venture out once affinity drops too low. My mind immediately goes to about every single one of the pups, especially Midnight and Saturn and Mars also. So this shows the point. Okay. Ah! Wait, what? How big are they? Okay, yeah, they are getting pretty big. Twilight is still our little run. And Dawn is actually pretty small too. Everyone else is at 7 pounds, with Midnight still the biggest. So, we're actually going to go to sleep again. And then we're going to call our pups outside. Be sure to play with them because, he's dreaming about a fire and one of his pups being carried away. Oh, Shadow. Oh, he's dreaming about his pups when they're grown-ups, I think. Oh, buddy. Okay, we're gonna go out. Oh no! Get in! Get in! Saturn! Get in! Saturn! In now! Why are there so many attacks, guys? Where? Which wolf pack is it? Star? Yeah, Star. Where? Right there? You're just gonna stand there? Yeah, no. Oh, we're going after him, Star. You thought it was Crevice Lake? Oh, Shadow now has a grudge against Crevice Lake also. Star, are you gonna help us, please? Ah, this one's fast. Oh no, he is not letting this slip. You just think you can go and do that to our puppies? Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, I don't care that there's a den here. I mean, it is pretty cool, but we're literally going to, run on top. We just found a den by chasing him. Stop. This guy actually looks like a fox. Wow. Okay, so Shadow pretty much hates all of the wolf packs now. Yeah, you better run, buddy. You're still in our territory, you know. Yeah, you think you can just walk out of this? Yeah, sorry, buddy. You're sorely mistaken. Yeah. Shadow's gonna go after this guy with everything he has. Ah! This guy seems really tired. Let's just see. Ah! Yeah, hey! Stop unlocking me from here. Yeah, you can't just jog out of here. No. Yeah, so Star isn't a very aggressive mate. Shadow might actually kill this wolf. Like, you try to come after his puppies, I told you guys, he really cares about his family. I think he'll let him go. Shadow's nice enough to let him go with... He's going to escort him out. Because Shadow's low on energy... Yeah, you have to leave though, buddy. Yeah, Shadow's not yet ready for killing any wolves. He's going to let him go with low health, but if this happens again, yeah, he's gone. He's gone. Buddy. He has to get completely out of our territory. We're still gonna watch him. We're gonna watch him run out of our territory. Yeah, run. We're going to escort you out because Shadow isn't ready to kill yet. But, guys, 3 attacks so close together? Are we getting close? Okay, he's going back into his territory. Yeah, Shadow is definitely not ready for killing yet. He will if this happens again. With Prospect Peak, oh, no problem, he would kill them. But, buddy, get in your territory. With Prospect Peak, he would no problem kill one of their members if they tried to kill him. Whoops, sorry guys about the frozen. Yeah, run. Run. You can't just waltz out of here. No. Run. Okay, guys, we've escorted him enough, but can you guys believe that? One of them. Although Star didn't really try to help us, I think Star will do it like, Star's more, ooh, there's a den. Might as well find it. Okay, we're getting closer. Is it this way? Yeah, because some of these, ooh, we're near it. Is it this? Oh, did we not have this done before? Yeah, so I think Star's not very aggressive when fighting other wolves. Maybe she was actually from one of those other packs, and she willingly left. So not like Shadow, where Shadow's like, you know, he's a tough guy. Like, he wants to prove that he is tough. Instead, I think Star is more... She'll hunt. She'll do stuff to take care of her pups because she loves them to death. But she's more mellow. She's more of a loner, I think. There's another den. Wow. Might as well get it. Oh, it's back here. Okay. actually need to hunt anyways. Wait. We need to call Star. Yeah, so we're gonna call Star. Oh, is this it? Is it over here? I think it might be over here, guys. Where is it? Oh, it's back there. Ooh, is it this? Alright, nice. So, oh wow, Star's fast. I think we're actually, yeah, we're pretty close to the dam. Yeah, so guys, I can't believe that. That wolf just thought he could come, and from the Crevice Lake. I'm surprised it actually wasn't from Prospect Peak. So we are going to stick our noses in the air. Actually, affinity is really low. I just realized that. We can't hunt like that. Yeah, so please like and subscribe if you can, and join us in the next episode of Yellowstone as we continue with Shadow. Oh, hi. Oh, he barely has anything to give them. Sorry, guys. Your dad spent a long day chasing this bad wolf away.